Welcome to American Motors in Kenosha, Wisconsin, where the first production Ramblers were built by the Jeffrey Company in 1902. Our Kenosha manufacturing and assembly plants cover nearly 5 million square feet, making it the largest automotive plant under one roof in the United States. You are going to see about 1/5 of it on your tour today, which will feature the final assembly of our automobiles. Our tour begins in the main plant lobby, where you will notice the American Motor Show radio studio. The Kenosha plant is unique in its concept of employee communications by the utilization of local radio and an in-plant closed-circuit television system to keep our employees informed. The first stop on your tour will be our data processing center, where all our new car orders, car scheduling, payrolls, and other information and records are processed on the newest systems equipment available. As you enter the plant, you will travel through manufacturing areas where ring and pinion gears, spindles, and other parts requiring heat treatment are processed. The next area is where rear axle components are machined and assembled, including rear axle and differential gears and cases, axle shafts, and axle tubes. Rear axles, drivetrains, and front suspensions travel through an electrostatic spray booth, where they are completely coated with paint on the way to the final assembly area. You will not see the engine division, the press area, or the body division on your tour today, but these are areas of our plant of equal importance to the assembly of American Motors automobiles. In the engine division, 6-cylinder and V8 engines are machined and assembled for all our automobiles as well as for our Jeep vehicles. These engines, with the transmissions, will be united with the body and undercarriage as you enter the final assembly area. This entire operation is accomplished in our motor mount area, while the body continues non-stop on the assembly line. Our two assembly lines, east and west, are each capable of producing about 80 cars per hour or up to 2,500 cars per day. The bodies you see also originated in other areas of our main plant or lakefront plant. Metal stampings begin in the press room. They go through miscellaneous welding and sub-assembly and are then welded into one complete unitized body, a system used by other manufacturers originated by American Motors. Bodies are finished, sanded, painted, baked, and trimmed before they are transported to the final assembly lines. As you proceed down the final assembly area, you will see the many operations required to complete our cars. You will see the completed automobiles driven into a test area and onto Rolls Test, where the speedometer, lights, windshield wipers, and many working parts are checked. The car is inspected and checked continuously throughout all phases of manufacture and assembly. The last operation you will see on the end of our final assembly line is the caster, camber, toe-in setting accomplished on modern, computer-like equipment. Your tour today will take you down the west final assembly line and back along the east final assembly line, so you'll be able to see all the current American Motors passenger car models available. We ask that you observe the safety rules, which your guide will point out to you. We hope you will enjoy the tour, and if you have any questions, please ask your guide.